What's up, Joe? Welcome back to Anomalous. Today we're doing Cup of Cholera, which I think is a medical condition. Let me go search that up right quick. Cholera. Yes. Cholera disease is an acute diarrheal infection caused by ingestion of food or water contaminated with Vibrio cholerae bacteria. It causes severe watery diarrhea and vomiting, leading to rapid, life-threatening dehydration within hours. Treatment requires immediate rehydration, usually with oral hydration salts or ORS, while prevention focuses on improved sanitation and safe water. Images? So basically, the cholera disease basically looks like a bunch of tampons is what they're showing. Basically just looks like a bunch of tampons is what the disease looks like. And from what I saw, didn't it show it had like an outbreak? I'll be right back. So cholera has been historically known to have outbreaks, from all of them in the 19th century, in 1858, 1877, 1879, and 1886. And it would be brought by foreign vessels, and it would lead to a lot of casualties and deaths, and also a lot of hospitalities. So yes, cholera back then was really bad to do with, but it's not cholera. Also, I just realized that's a lot of bubbles, and cholera can be transmitted through drinking unsanitary water. So yeah, here we go. Salt, bile, something rancid toasting at the back of my throat. A deep wrenching pull coils through my stomach, everything inside turning against me. Limbs shake, drained, hollowed. I am losing something I cannot hold on to. Okay. Oh, what the? I mean, when I was talking about the tampons, that's basically thousands of them, except here it's called a worm hominid. Worm hominid. Which is, that's a mouthful to take in. Alrighty then. Ooh, I don't like that. I like, it's also weird, you only have one eye and a mouth. Alright, that is the Cup of Cholera. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.